Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to take one piece of wire and solder it so it's a circle. I want to be able to demonstrate two different soldering joints, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my wire using my wire cutters. Basically cut it in half right in the middle, as close like in the middle as I can. Okay, so now I have two different pieces of wire. The next thing I want to do is I want to strip the ends off of both of these, and I want about 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to take it in the second to the biggest cutout notch and strip about 3/4 of an inch off each end of this using these wire strippers. Okay, so you'll notice that this is stranded wire, and I want to keep the strands from poking out, so I just want to twist the ends off of each one of these. All right, just twist them up, and we'll prepare it in just a second. The second wire, I'm just going to demonstrate using the other tool. These are the automatic strippers. They're a little trickier to use, but they're easier in a way, so you choose. Okay, so there's a little bit off. I want to strip about 3/4 of the insulation off, 3/4 of an inch. Just a little bit more. Okay, about 3/4 of an inch off of that. Okay, and again, just twist these wires. All right, I want to pick this up. Just twist the ends up, and then I want to make a hook. Okay, and I'm going to make a hook on both wires. Okay, because I want to hook these together. So you can see that I've twisted them, and I'm going to make a hook. You can use pliers to bend those if you want. It's easy enough for me to use my fingers. You use the tool that you want. Okay, and then once I've got a hook, I hook them together, and I kind of just pinch it so that they're completely hooked together. Okay, my soldering iron is now at temp. I'm going to turn on my fan. Okay, and first thing I'm going to do is clean the soldering iron tip, and then I'm going to heat this up for about a good 2 to 3 seconds, and then I can start feeding in my solder. Okay, because we want the wires to get hot, as well as this will just start melting in, and then with the hot wires it'll blend together. Okay, so I'm gonna take a look at that one. Okay, it looks pretty good. I can see some strands. I don't really like that, so I'm gonna get those in. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other end. Make 2 little hooks. Hook them together, pinch them, and then I'm going to get ready to solder. I'm going to clean off my soldering tip, and then heat this up for about 3 to 5 seconds, about 3 seconds probably, and just go ahead and start feeding in my solder. Take a look at this one. All right, looks pretty good. All right, so that is it. I'm going to turn off my soldering iron, turn off my fan, and this is complete.